In this video, we're gonna take a look at MIDI instruments and audio effects. You can browse through your instruments by clicking on Instruments in the browser. Here you find a list of Ableton software instruments. Instruments can be loaded onto a MIDI track only. To load an instrument, select MIDI track, then drag the instrument to that track. You can also select a MIDI track first, then double-click on an instrument to load it. To scroll through the instrument's presets, click on the triangle next to the instrument's name. This will open up a list of all the available presets. You can load these the same way as you would load an instrument, by dragging them to a MIDI track or by double-clicking them. Now, let's have a look at the audio effects. You can browse through the audio effects by clicking on Audio Effects in the browser. Audio effects can be loaded onto both MIDI tracks and audio tracks. To load an audio effect, select a track, then drag the audio effect to the track. You can also select a track first, then double-click on an audio effect to load it. To scroll through the presets, click on the triangle next to the audio effect's name. This will open up a list of all the available presets. Again, you can load these the same way as you would load an audio effect, by dragging or double-clicking them. Please note that when you insert an audio effect on an instrument track, it always comes after the instrument. This means that the instrument's output will go through the audio effect first, before being sent to the track's selected output. When having multiple audio effects inserted on a track, you can easily rearrange their order by dragging them. To remove an instrument or audio effect from a track, simply select it and press delete. Now you have learned how to load instruments, audio effects and their presets.